Stop. Stop. Keep going, keep going. How can you make your dog to bark? This is 1-year-old brownie puppy with an 11-year-old playing. She cannot bark. But since my son has this car from his daddy for his birthday present, Brownie becomes the bark like anything else. Every time she hears the sound of the car and see the car moving, she starts to bark. So you see, you try any tricks you can to make your dog to bark. This is one of the ways you could do to make sure that your dog barks. Don't. So as he moving it, she get more mad and she barks. I don't know what she might be thinking. They usually use a battery, but the battery is out. So we brought her out on this cold winter day to test her barking skills. And it's a wonderful thing and a miracle to see her barking as a normal dog. This is so beautiful. For all our friends watching out there, don't never estimate anyone or any animal or anything. Today, Brownie showed her skills to us that she's a normal dog and she can bark like any other dog. Thanks to our toy family for making some sophisticated toy that can make people to do what they ought to do. Thank you for watching, and we see you again on our next episode. Brownie versus remote car. #happy wedding. Thanks for watching.